solution, you need to think something differently. And most of the people will not answer it right away. No, this is the thing. They will think, no, I'm not able to even understand the problem. Even answering all these questions, people say, what had happened, right? So we need to think this is exactly is called as, that is what had happened here. The man had want to hiccups, and this person actually bartender, even he asked for a water, he knows the purpose, right? The person is asking for a hiccup, and that is what he did. Now hiccup gone, and he said thank you and left the place. Yeah, this is exactly is an example of lateral thinking. Now one more. There are 4 volumes of the Shakespeare's collected works. The pages of each volume are exactly 2 inches thick. How many volumes are there? 4 volumes, 4 books, right? This is simple mathematics, right? Each volume has a 2-inch thing. The page is 2-page thing, and the wrapper is 1/6 of the inch. I gave the number also there. There are 4 books. There are 8 covers. Now tell me what is the, now here the bookworm, a bookworm started eating at the page 1 of the volume 1 and ate through the last page of the volume 4. What is the distance the bookworm covered? What is the answer? Somebody else other than Shahrukh or Hariharan. Just think through. Simple mathematics, right? Maybe 12th standard or 10th standard. Hey, why office bearer are keeping quiet now? I'd like to see somehow any one of these 3 people there. First question you are not able to answer. I mean, you did not answer. Second question also. Please answer this. There is a reason why I'm asking you people. Maybe the last person on the 6th person, no? Just opposite person of Jaisil and Satyasil sir. Madam, you only. You are sitting at the last. Please unmute and talk. You know or you don't know? You don't want to think? I'm sure nobody is giving you the solution there. Give the solution. Just some mathematics, no? Just throw some light. Quick. Very simple. 4 books, 8 covers. Book size is given, cover size is given. You can also say, I don't know. No problem. Nothing wrong. You don't know. Okay, next person, 5th person. You don't know? Or you know? You are trying, isn't it? You are thinking. Okay, please think. We'll go to the 4th person. Okay, no problem. I know that this is somewhat difficult, right? Out of all the things, there are different level of lateral thinkings are there. Yeah. You would like to answer? Okay. See, this is the answer actually. You need to read the understanding the problem. See, most of us, while thinking the lateral thinking, they are only move fast towards the solution. Whatever the other problem, right? 6 eggs and other things, you know, we are able to understand the problem, we move quickly towards the solution. You're picking up the girl or picking up the man or old lady, whatever it is, right? But here, if you look at it, now we need to understand the problem very clearly. The answer is actually 5 inches only, right? How 5 inches? What is the problem here? Where is the bookworm? Bookworm started eating at the page 1 of the volume 1, right? Is it clear? And yet through the last page of the volume. See that what is there in the red line actually. Where is the page 1 of the first one? You see that now how the book is ordered. I hope you're able to see that. So the first page is there somewhat, you know, in between actually. It is not actually ordered from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 last page or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 last page. Actually, it is a reverse side, right? You can see this view while you're going to the library. Yeah. So actually first phase of the first book starts from the somewhere in the middle. Like that's what I draw that red line for your understanding, right? The last page of the last book will be also somewhere in the middle. It's not at the last really, right? So we have only 2 book and 6 covers. You're able to understand this? So the answer is 5 inches. Maybe you need to think through very easily. No, you will not get this answer. I hope